What is going on today, guys? We are back with a brand new video. In today's video, we are going to be discussing lighting and actually one specific light in general called the whiz. We're going to be discussing exactly what it is and why we choose to use it for you guys to make your own decision if it is feasible for you. Well, let's jump into the video, but before we do, guys, make sure if you are new, you're smashing that subscribe button, hitting like to show me that you guys like this kind of video, and therefore I'll make more of them, and come and continue this conversation over on our Twitch page, linked in the description below. Well, let's jump right on into it here, guys. What is a whiz light? A whiz light is a smart light, a smart LED light. It connects to your internet Wi-Fi. It's ran through an application on your phone that lets you control all sorts of different things. I can actually have it set up that when it senses my phone connecting to my Wi-Fi, my light will turn on. There's options like that, but for streaming purposes, it's a colored light that can go in any sort of a socket. So it can go in your roof lights, it can go in a lamp, it can go in whatever. You can point a lamp at the wall, light up a wall, do whatever. And like I said, they're pretty bright because, as you can see, one lamp, my whole background is kind of purple, and that's awesome. Again, they're fairly cheap. They work out, if you buy them in bulk, they work out to be about $7 or $8 a bulb. If you buy them on their own, they're about 12 to 15 depending on where you're buying them, which paired with a used lamp off, Kijiji or Facebook Marketplace or something like that, you for $5 you have a fully working stream light for under $15. So not only is it cheaper than most other lighting options, it works well, and the nice thing is because this is obviously my living room, I don't have a separated streaming or content creating space. This just turns into a normal light. As soon as I turn it off, it turns it back onto, the normal white light that normal light bulbs are. So it can be interchangeable between a stream light and a normal living room light as well, which is very awesome. Again, go check them out, guys. They're pretty awesome. If you don't have them wherever you're from, there's probably other options wherever you are from. They just might not be called whiz. They might be called something else. But you're basically looking for a smart LED light that has a full color scale. So some of them will only be white, but make sure you find the ones that have the whole color scale, like the ones I found, for like $8 a bulb. Again, we choose to use this most efficient lighting. I didn't have to buy a separate streaming light to put behind my computer or whatever. I just have a ring around my webcam, and then my background light is a dim purple. Very easy to get a professional look, and that is why we choose the whiz light. Alright, guys, we hope that this kind of brought another option onto your table of your plethora of lighting options that you have, and hopefully this helped you guys maybe lean towards getting the same setup as we do. Until next time, we will talk to you later. Peace.